This state-of-the-art carbon composite airliner clocks in at $224 million. The interior is a whopping 2,700 square feet or 250 square meters. That means more space for you and 30 of your closest imaginary friends. Because let's be real, you have no friends. There's also a master suite with a California king bed, a walk-in closet, a master bath with a double-sized shower, and heated marble floors. With a range of 9,400 nautical miles or 17,500 kilometers, where can you fly to? Anywhere in the world, with the exception of Sydney to London.